What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you fly a lot, this is the backpack for you. Right, if you fly a lot, and I do quite a bit for pleasure and for work, this is a backpack you might want to check out. So I am hoping that this backpack is going to satisfy all my travel needs. Now, the thing about this backpack is that it's pretty generous sized. I think it's about 33 liters, but it has a beautiful modern look. It's all black. I'm going to give you a close tour of this. But the best thing about it is that it is ready to fly and get through TSA, and I'll show you those features here in a second. So first of all, if we look at the back, we do have a little strap here for hanging it up. Also a very big grab handle with this mesh material underneath. That mesh material is echoed on the back panel right here. As you can see, we have a couple of big padded pieces here and down here, so that's going to be really comfortable, as well as underneath the shoulder straps right here. And these are also slightly padded. There isn't heavy padding there, but you can be sure that this is going to breathe and keep you from overheating. Now, the other thing I really love about these straps, you can see here just a really thick, sturdy nylon on the front, but this has one of the things that I think most backpacks are really missing, and that is a sternum strap. And that's because when you're moving around and maybe carrying a rollerboard behind you, you don't want these straps continue to fall off. So I only get these travel backpacks, the ones I'm really going to use, with sternum straps, and that has it. And it's slightly adjustable. You can see here that they'll go up and down on these nylon ribbons on the side, so you can adjust it to your size, and always the adjustable straps right there. Now, if we take a look at the back panel here, what you'll see is that we have a strap right here, so you can put this over the handles on a rollerboard piece of luggage, so you don't have to worry about it getting separated from your luggage. Also, on this lower lumbar padding right here, there's a zipper right there. So I can open that up, and we have a pocket right here. This is great for things that you need a little more security on, some important paperwork, your passport, some money, those types of things. It's much harder to get into a backpack and sneak up on someone when it's right up against your bum. And then right up here, what you might see, is that we have a second zipper. And so we have a full-length pocket that goes all the way down to the bottom, so you can put in things right there that you need ready access to. And you need to scan those things. You can pull those out for X-ray a lot easier. Now, let's go to the front. You have a really nice nylon construction all over, but right up here and right down here, you have more of a rubberized, kind of a waterproof looking texture, and that's really nice because it kind of breaks up the look of it. You have the Modoker logo right there. And up here, what we have is a pocket that goes down the full length of this. So you can put things in here. This is great for getting those documents that you need pretty quickly, you know, any of those IDs. Especially for me, what I do is I will usually lock up my car at the airport. I will take my keys and my house keys and those types of things and throw them in an outside pocket, because I don't need them anymore until I get back, and I know exactly where they are when I get back to my home airport. We also have dual zippers right up here, and so you can see that these go almost all the way down, and we flip this open. We have a very large cavernous interior here. Again, a really nice tight nylon mesh there, so things should be nicely protected. And then right here, what we have is the main opening, the main compartment. The two zippers will go all the way around, and this compartment will open like this. So if you have this down on a table and you want to open it up, it's really convenient to open this up, and you have almost like a little briefcase. And you can see on the top portion here, we have a pocket that goes down about a third of the way there. We have a couple of pockets here for paperwork, a larger pocket for notepads. We have two pen slots on this side, and then down here we have a big normal backpack opening here, so you can put your clothes, whatever you need there. Now, you also might see this cable hanging out here, and this is a USB cable, and so you can plug this into your power bank and put that in here too. And that's because down here on the reverse side, you can see this little plastic hump. That is a USB port as well. So it's basically a USB extension cord. So now you can charge your iPhone, your iPad, those types of things from a power bank that you have inside of your backpack without having to open it up and pull that out, which is really, really nice. Especially if you're sitting in a gate and something like that, you've got maybe a few minutes, you don't want to dig through all your stuff to find a power bank to juice up your phone. You can quickly access it from here, and then when you're ready to go, just pull it out and rock and roll. Now, because this works almost like a little briefcase, this main compartment right here that has a big mesh pocket and a laptop pouch and a tablet pouch. So there's an outer pouch right there, and then a much bigger pouch right there for a full laptop that you can strap down with this little elastic cord. We also have a nice little handle here. It's exactly the same as the handle up on top, so it has that mesh material. It's really robust, and you can hold it and grab it like this. And now right here is really the key for secure travelers. What you can see here is we have a TSA lock. And what's really interesting about this is that it has a keyhole, and so that's for the TSA to be able to unlock this if they need to do an inspection. But what we have is a 3-number combination lock right here down here, and you can set it. By default, it is set to 000. And I want to just show you that we have openings on the top and the bottom. You can lock both the laptop compartment as well as the main compartment by moving the zipper right to line up with these holes. And then for the top ones, I would just take these and I would push these in so they catch on the little teeth there. Just like that, it's that easy. And for the bottom ones, just take these and push those in there too. And then I would move the combination. And then to release these, you'll use this little switch here. So if I push this way, it'll release these. And if I push this way, it'll release these. Just like that, and now you have quick access to it, so you can open up either of these pockets. But once that's locked, then you're going to know that your main pocket and your laptop pocket are safe from prying eyes and sticky fingers. This is a really great travel laptop overnight backpack, and it's one that I'm going to use happily on my next trips when I go on vacation or for business, knowing that I'm not going to lose anything and that it's really stylish and really innocuous looking. So it looks very much like every other backpack that you'll see out there, and yet those security features make it great, because a lot of times when you're at a conference and you put your laptop bag down, you're going to leave it unattended for even a few minutes. It's just nice to have some peace of mind knowing that everything is locked up. Hey, if you want to pick up this Modoker, it's a really good deal on top of that too, because it is under 90 bucks. So you get a really nicely made backpack here, but you get the added benefit of those TSA security features. So I will put a link to it in the description below if you want to pick it up. Peter Von Panda, out.